The Ford Bronco Sport presents several reliability issues, including engine failures and transmission problems, which contribute to frequent repairs and numerous recalls. These concerns cast doubt on its long-term durability. Consumer Reports reveal mixed reliability ratings for both the Ford Bronco Sport and Nissan Rogue, suggesting potential buyers should conduct thorough research before making a decision. Leasing may offer a more secure alternative for these models. Although the Nissan Rogue is well regarded for its features, it suffers from significant transmission reliability issues that create potentially hazardous driving conditions. Previous models have faced lawsuits and recalls due to these persistent problems. Owner experiences with the Nissan Rogue vary widely. Some users commend its comfort, while others grapple with ongoing mechanical difficulties. To mitigate issues, regular maintenance, particularly CVD fluid changes, is highly recommended. The Chevrolet Silverado is celebrated for its exceptional towing capabilities. However, it has garnered criticism for reliability, with reports of excessive oil consumption and transmission problems in specific model years. The BMW X5 is well known for its luxurious features and advanced technology, yet it has been subject to complaints regarding drivetrain failures and engine performance warnings shortly after purchase, which negatively impacts overall reliability. While many drivers appreciate the comfort of the X5, they express frustration over the high costs of repairs and the frequency of mechanical issues, prompting a consideration of leasing as a more favorable option. The GMC Sierra generally enjoys a reputation for reliability, but it has experienced engine and transmission troubles that have led to recalls, raising concerns for prospective buyers regarding future maintenance. Introduced as a practical SUV, the Volkswagen Taos has unfortunately received poor reliability ratings, with numerous recalls and ongoing performance issues reported by its owners. Reports of engine misfires and brake malfunctions in the Volkswagen Taos have raised red flags for potential buyers about long-term ownership. Leasing is often suggested as a safer route. The Chrysler Pacifica PHEV combines hybrid technology with family-friendly features, yet it grapples with reliability challenges and recalls, which may deter prospective buyers. The Ford EcoSport, while suitable for urban settings, has encountered issues such as transmission failures and mechanical glitches, underscoring the necessity of thorough research prior to purchasing a used model. Owner feedback on the EcoSport is mixed. Many find it reliable for daily use, yet others report electronic malfunctions and expensive repairs. This stark contrast emphasizes the importance of diligent research. While the EcoSport delivers solid performance and reliability overall, certain model years present challenges that may affect long-term satisfaction for its owners. For those considering the EcoSport, leasing may be prudent, granting access to its benefits while avoiding the financial burdens associated with repair costs tied to ownership. Many Jeep Wrangler 4xe owners report experiencing recurring issues, like check engine lights and electrical glitches, leading to frustrating repair scenarios. Reliability concerns are commonly voiced among these users. Despite having a robust warranty covering hybrid components for up to 100,000 miles, current owners frequently recommend leasing as a preferable option to outright purchase, alleviating potential long-term repair expenses. The challenges presented by the first-generation hybrid system underscore the importance of balancing innovative technology with reliability. Prospective buyers should carefully evaluate their options before committing to long-term ownership.